Hey you guys, this your girl Tamara, and I'm back with another video, y'all. I'm finna prank Greedy, y'all. So he in there sleep, so I'm finna act like I sneeze and throw blood on his face. I'm finna act like I just sneezed out blood onto his face. We finna get this shit cracking, y'all. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our video. And guess we gonna be back with more videos. Let's get it.
Are you gonna keep recording?
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, period. And I'll hit y'all with another video.